co-founder at AppVirality. I'll start beginning with asking a question. How many of you check PNR status online? Railway PNR status. I mean, how many of you think that it really sucks? Nobody? Okay, fair amount. Because to my personal experience, when I go and click on checking the text box which I shows, they welcome me with 3 pop-up ads, the first thing. And the second thing, we cluttered way and all that stuff. So the same thing we tried to solve around 2 years back. We created a web portal. I'll come to that story. But for the moment, 6 months back, we wanted to create a mobile app that keeps people updated with their railway PNR status. It's not just the checking, but when it gets checked, you will get an alert. So that's the idea we got, and we just started building it. But as I said, we built it for web, and it's going pretty good. Like we had been extremely successful with 3 lakh people checking their PNR status every day. But to the surprise, when it comes to mobile, things didn't work the same way. Though we have an awesome app built in the Play Store, we realized that it's really difficult to get discovered among all those 3 million apps across the stores you have now. And we are good at search engine optimization on web, but unfortunately there is no such thing on Play Store or App Store at the moment. And we don't have marketing budget to spend like other companies. So we thought, okay, let's go out to the market and see what all the successful companies are doing. And then we realized that companies like Uber is giving $10 each if you refer a friend. So everybody knows that. And one more example, Dropbox, it gives you 125 MB more space if you follow them on social media. And all these companies achieved more than 60% of their initial growth by following these simple techniques, be it social media, be it giving a coupon code. And to the surprise, even today, 35% of signups at the Dropbox come from the same old technique they implemented 4 years back when they're a startup. So there is a fancy and buzzword to call all these techniques now. People call it as a growth hacking. And I find it offensive when I say I'm a growth hacker. I don't call myself as a growth hacker. Okay. So we decided to dig further into the growth hacking, and we learned all the stuff. And we tried to implement that for the mobile. But we faced 2 problems. The number one, we don't know whether the Uber's technique or Dropbox technique might work for us or not. There are so many other techniques available like that. And the number 2, the time and money to build all that infrastructure, the tech infrastructure, to implement all these techniques on our own. So we looked out for a solution, but there is no solution. Then we thought, okay, what if there is a simple SDK which allows businesses to identify what's that one right growth hack for you, and then implement it right away without having to write a single line of code. That's when we got the idea of AppVirality. And today I'm proud to introduce the solution, AppVirality, the plug and play growth hacking toolkit for mobile apps. So it's a simple 73 SDK, 73 KB SDK. We built in all the popular growth hacks. We have 3 growth hacks at the moment. And let's have a look at how this restaurant app called Kana is implementing growth hacks by using AppVirality. It's a simple 4-step process. They integrated with AppVirality by downloading our SDK. And they created a campaign by selecting growth hack. So we recommended 3 growth hacks for them when they signed up, and they selected the first one, customer retention. And here is the configuration page, which allows you to configure pretty much anything, when to start and which location, when to end, and how much discount to give, what the user actions should be to claim the discount, and all that other stuff. And this is how it looks on the user's mobile screen. Once somebody places an order on the restaurant app, at the footer of the mobile app, you can see get 5% off on your next meal. And once you click on claim it, it says the full offer, that share it with your friends that you're enjoying this meal and get 5% discount. So you have to either share or Facebook to do that. So we call them as an actions. You can replace the Facebook and Twitter with WhatsApp, Google+, polls, survey, pretty much anything. We have 40+ actions built in. And most importantly, at the end, we help the businesses with the meaningful data they wanted to know. Whether in 5% in Bangalore is working or not, or should I go for 10%. So you can have multiple campaigns at the moment. We will do all the A/B testing and all the other stuff and give you the meaningful data which businesses, the basic businesses need that. And in terms of market, we are in private beta at the moment, live on few apps. And we have 180+ apps signed up, starting from ranging to startups to the big companies. So So we'll be going live very soon on them. And this is the quote I got online while we were digging into the concept of growth hacking. And I don't know the writer name, but somebody said, virality is not an accident. So people think that I made a video, it went viral on Facebook. But there is some stuff in the video, that's why it went viral. So the same thing it says, virality is not an accident, it is engineered. And we help all these businesses with that engineering part. Thank you.